Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing your files and selecting OCR software. Open the PDF and inspect scan quality. You want clear contrast and around 300 dpi to reduce errors. Once done, choose whether to use a built-in editor, a dedicated OCR app, or an online service based on privacy and complexity. Make sure to set the document language and recognition mode before running OCR, because that determines accuracy and preserves layout. Then run a quick sample on one page to verify recognition results. Once OCR has been initiated, monitor the conversion and switch to exact layout if you need native-looking pages. You'll want to process either the full document or just problematic ranges. Start with a preview so you can spot misreads. After recognition finishes, enable the text layer and systematically correct failures. Look for swapped characters, missing diacritics, and split words. Use search and replace to fix repeated mistakes, and adjust font sizing and kerning so edited segments match the original. Save incremental versions as you finish by exporting a searchable, editable PDF and embedding fonts if distribution requires consistency. Once exported, do a comprehensive proofread. Verify bookmarks, links, and accessibility tags so screen readers can navigate. If you need to deliver multiple formats, also export a plain text or Word copy. In case of persistent recognition errors, rerun OCR with a different engine or increase scan quality and deskew images. That usually fixes stubborn artifacts. Make sure to keep a backup of the original scan before final overwrites.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.